I saw one glaring aspect of Waziri that I consider has stood him out miles ahead of all his fellow contestants. The first thing was the fact that he is an experienced man, and I can affirm that one authoritatively. Why did I say so? While I was the governor of Osun State, I got a message from him through DSP Alamieyeseigha, his soul rest in peace, that Waziri Atiku will want me to mediate to resolve the differences between him and his boss. I never thought somebody of that political status will condescend so low to ask me to come and mediate. When we got to Abeokuta, that thing was between me, Waziri, and Baba Obasanjo. Nobody knew about the plan. And Baba talked of how he deliberately left Waziri to handle the home front while he was laundering the battered image of Nigeria and begging for cancellation of debt, the debt owed by Nigeria. So I got to know that he said that he left governance to him for the first 4 years, and his intention was for him to take him around the world, that this is the incoming successor. So I'm saying that he was a tested hand in terms of ruling this country, and that's why I say it's from authoritative sources.